I thought I was good with money until I tracked every penny that I spent for the last 30 days. And honestly, I was shocked. It wasn't the big purchases that drained my bank account. It was the little ones that I did not even remember making. If you ever wondered where your money actually goes, then this video is for you. So, for 30 days straight, I wrote down every single transactions, from snacks, subscriptions, and even things that I bought through Amazon. And what I discovered completely changed on how I view spending. The first thing that hit me is how much I was spending on little things. You know, those 3, 5 or 8 pound charges that seems harmless. For example, takeaway coffees, getting food from Just Eat. On their own, they felt like nothing, but then in 30 days, it adds up to £260 plus. And that's nearly £3,300 a year gone. And these are on things that I couldn't even remember buying. Then came the subscriptions. My subscriptions were bleeding. I had 11 active subscriptions, and most of them I've not even used it in months. And the total of it was £73 a month. And guess what? I was only using 3. This is £876 that I was throwing away every single year. So guess what I did? I cancelled most of them immediately. One of the biggest lessons that I learned is that my spending did not correspond with my values. I said health was important to me, but I barely spend money on anything that is healthy food. So I ended up spending more on junk food. Trust me when I say this, when you look at where your money goes, it's like looking at yourself in the mirror, because you can't hide from the truth. Now let me explain how tracking changed my life. After about a week of tracking, something shifted. I started to think before spending. I started to ask myself, do I really need this? Will I remember this purchase in a week's time? It wasn't about being cheap. It was about being in control. I started to feel in charge of my money instead of feeling like it disappeared the moment that I get it. The biggest lesson that I want you to take away from this is that awareness is everything. You don't have to have a budget or cut every joy of your life. Just track what you spend. Not forever, just track it for 30 days. And trust me when I say this, you'll be amazed about what you learn about yourself. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.